Happy Sunday, everybody. Happy April the 2nd. I know, I don't know. Anyway, in a couple of days, our new season is going to launch on Tuesday. But here I am sneak peeking you, whatever you want to say, letting you get a quick look at it so you can get prepared for Tuesday and get in on the specials that will be available when the new season launches. There are a few new flavors, but lots of returning. So think when we used to do our launch in May and it came with all the burgers and the glazes and the rubs, they're all there. So the burger seasoning, the teriyaki seasoning, the O Canada, all that kind of stuff. It will be available on Tuesday, but we also have some new flavors. So new flavors are two new burger flavors. Obviously, you don't have to use ground beef or whatever. You can use whatever you want, you know. So we have chicken jalapeno and we have banh mi. This one, I've been using it on pork and I really like it, but you can also make a dip with it. The chicken jalapeno I'm going to put on chicken today. We have two new fry seasonings, or revised Cajun, which is actually, I love this one. And then the cheesy fries. Now, the only reason I'm not 100% with cheesy fries is because there is onions in it, and it's a little more oniony than I like, but that's okay. For those of you who love onions, it'll be perfect for you. So let's go ahead and get started before I get into all the other new things. I have parboiled potato wedges, so just chopped up some wedges, threw it actually in the saute pan, boiled it for 10 minutes. Now they're here. I put a little bit of olive oil on. So one side I'm going to put cheesy fries, and then the other side I'm going to put the Cajun, and then just going to set it in the oven for now. And then a few minutes before 1, I'll go ahead and turn on the oven. But this is just for me to get ahead of the game so I don't have to do anything. So Cajun fries, you can put on before, after, it doesn't matter. So I'm just going to throw a bit on before. And then afterwards, we can put some more on as well. And then the cheesy fries, same thing. All right. Okay. So that's that for now. We'll put more on when they're done. Hi, Tammy. Hi, Celine. Okay. So those are set aside for a little one just before people start coming. Good morning. Okay. So cheesy fries. Literally, it says cheesy fries. Liberally season regular or sweet potato fries or wedges or whatever you want before and after cooking. Ingredients: cheddar cheese, Parmesan cheese. So obviously this is not vegan. Sea salt, onion, garlic, parsley, and black pepper. Okay, just so you can see, that's what it looks like. Probably good on popcorn for those of you who like to do that. And then Cajun, again, the same thing, same instructions, liberally seasoned regular sweet potato or fries or wedges or whatever you want, before or after cooking. Hello, Kathy. So in the Cajun, yes, good on popcorn, right? See, awesome. Garlic, sea salt, paprika, onion, black pepper, thyme, cayenne, and oregano. Again, this would be good on popcorn for those who like a little spicy. So it's actually, surprisingly, I like it, which is not usually something I go for Cajun flavors, but that's just that. Okay, next I've got some, actually, you know what? We'll do chicken. So I have some chicken thighs chopped into kind of like wedges. I am going to do the kicking jalapeno on it, which I have not opened yet, but that's what that looks like. And of course, I'm all like, look, I have spoons and I never use, right? All right, so I'm just going to mix in a whole bunch of the chicken jalapeno in there, and then turn them kind of into chicken strips, chicken bites, whatever you might want to call them. And I'll probably just spread some more on right afterwards, but we'll just get started. Okay, whew, I can smell the jalapeno. Whoa. Xanthi, when you watch this, this is for you. For those who really like jalapeno. All right, that's the jalapeno. So what also we have is two new teas. So I've already got them prepped in the fridge. So I'm kind of doing more of a cold brew. So I just put 2 tea bags in, a half of container of water. You can put a little bit of hot if you want before you get started. These are going to cook a little bit. I squashed them on too much, but that's all right. Okay, so then I will sprinkle a little bit more on. Okay, there we go. That is the chicken, which actually I will start cooking now just so that they're done. But in the kicking jalapeno burger seasoning here. Oh, you too, Cami? All right, there you go. 1 pound of lean ground beef or whatever. It could be vegetarian. So at conference, they did it with like a vegetarian or vegan patty. So like carrots, you know, all that kind of stuff. You can totally do that. And 2 tablespoons of seasoning, form into patties, and then grill. There's also a portobello mushroom burger. So brush 4 mushroom caps with olive oil, sprinkle 2 tablespoons of these on, and then grill until tender. And then in this is onion, jalapeno peppers, garlic, organic lime powder, and then sea salt and cornstarch. So that's what's in that one. And then the banh mi, which is this one. Again, same idea, 1 pound of lean ground pork or beef or mixture or whatever it is you want. 2 tablespoons of seasoning, mix, turn into patties, voila. And then in here is organic coconut palm sugar, lemongrass, organic lime powder, onion, garlic, paprika, sea salt, inactive nutritional yeast, chili powder, ginger, black pepper, star anise. And be honest, it's not that much star anise, so just a heads up, it's not a lot. And this one I will use. So there you go. 2 big tablespoons. That's what it looks. Where are you? There you go. Okay. And then you just mix it up. Which, why am I using that when I should just use my fingers? I'm just using pork here, but you can use a mixture, or you can tofu sticks, whatever. I don't know. Whatever you guys like. If you want more flavor, just add some more in. And then this is when you can pull out the 3-in-1 burger press. If you have that, or if not, it will be available. I am not going to do burger press today because I'm actually going to make them into little meatballs for those who are able to join me today to give it a try. And then also, this would be a good way to oh my gosh, Candace. This was a meal prep day, which in essence it is. You could make a whole bunch of these as burgers or meatballs and then freeze them, right? So you can cook them up and freeze them or leave them raw or whatever you like to do. You could microwave these, which is an option. Have it in the round steamer, or you can throw them in the saute pan, or you could put them on a rack on a sheet pan and put them in the oven, whatever you want to do. I will probably pan fry them in the saute pan, probably just before people start to arrive. And that's kind of how it will go. And then, you know, whatever's left over will either be our meal for tonight, or I can freeze them and do that. So there you go. There is my meatballs ready to go. And those are those things. Okay. And sorry, one sec. Just washing my hands. The meat. Okay. I will also make a banh mi dressing. So I use a little bit of mayo. You could use Greek yogurt, whatever you want, or sour cream. A little bit of rice vinegar, because that's how I thin things out. I don't use milk so much as people recommend for a lot of the dressings. A little bit of soy sauce, and then a good heaping tablespoon of the seasonings. And as you can see, I'm going through the banh mi very quickly, so I will be buying more. Okay, so there is the dressing. You could probably thicken it up a little bit, just so that you can put it on your burgers or whatever. Um, but yeah, but yes, Kathy, you totally have to try this one. I think you and your family will like this. Okay, so there's banh mi dressing done. Okay, so two types of burgers, two types of fries, seasonings, or whatever you want, two types of teas. So we have um, Pop Shop, which actually does taste like Coke or whatever, just no sugar, nothing that you don't need, no caffeine. Literally, that's in here is rooibos leaves, sarsaparilla root, organic orange peel, organic cocoa shells, organic cinnamon bark, organic licorice root, natural flavors, nutmeg, organic lemon peel, organic roasted chicory. Chicory. Anyway, so that's the pop one. Then there's a ginger mule. Yeah, ginger mule. Organic ginger root, organic peppermint, organic lemon peels, organic spearmint, natural flavors, lime peels, organic natural flavors. So just natural, everything is in there. And then we have another drink. We have strawberry margarita. So just 2 tablespoons of the mix with a cup of water, frozen strawberries, ice cubes, tequila if you wanted, or gin or something, and blend it up, and then you got your own little margarita mix here. I actually made cookies with it, so shortbread cookies. There you go. So kind of like having those sweet tart sweet tart candies, kind of tastes like that. And it's 7 grams of sugar per 1 tablespoon of it, so 1 or 2 cups, so 1 cup of it or whatever. No sodium or anything like that. And there is organic cane sugar, organic lime powder, citric acid, organic lemon powder, red rosella extract powder, which is, I believe, off of the hibiscus flower, or similar. I just don't, I think that's what it was. I have to look that one up, but that's what's in there for the coloring, natural coloring. And then those of you who may have tried this, the salted caramel protein is in the catalog. So we have 3 types of protein available, 3 flavors, starting April 4th, salted caramel, chocolate, and vanilla. So there we go. So these is my new way of making my protein bites in the morning. So there you go. Those are the new flavors, but as I said, the burgers, the rubs, the glazes, they're all back. And a heads up, it'll be available pretty much this catalog, or those things, I shouldn't say this catalog. This catalog runs to July, but the summer type things that we all love, the burgers and the glazes and stuff, will run until the end of September. So a lot more time for that. As you can see, this is the fun thing about our 4 seasons. All right, so let me just to my fridge. Okay, so I have the teas prepping here. I actually made some pickled veggies earlier, so radishes, carrots, cucumber, all separate, using our poke bowl seasoning. So quick pickles, and yeah, that's kind of it. So the teas and the pickles are preparing in the fridge. I will get going on the chicken now, and then closer to 1, I will pop in the burger or meatballs and the fries. And there you go. Yes, O Canada will be back on April 4th. So yes, O Canada is going to be here. All right. Yeah, margaritas. Yes, you see caramel protein. I know, Tammy. Yay. Okay, so there we go. That's it. Those are the things that are available and coming. If you're available to stop by today. If you're not, no worries. Let me know if you want a catalog, and I'll mail one out if I haven't already chat with you about that. If you want to have your own cooking class this month, it's a good time. We have 2 options for cooking class, or as the exclusive items. There is the tray that I actually am already using, and there's also the French press. So either or, whichever one kind of you lean towards. I lean towards the board, but if you might want the coffee machine, I mean, whichever one you like. So that's April's host. It's also a little simpler doing cooking classes right now. It's literally a shopping link. you need $250 in sales just to qualify at the first level. Of course, the more sales, the more levels you go up, the more percentage you get and all that. So yeah, and I can do a Facebook one if you want, or a Zoom one, or just do a shopping link. Or if you are around my area, I can obviously do a little one in person if that's what you want. Or you can bring your people to my place too. That's an option too. So just hit me up if you're interested in any of that. And what else? Oh, right. So there is changes happening now with our ambassador program, which is what we call ourselves now. So we are aligning ourselves more with people who maybe just want the discount, want to be like influencers. They like just posting that they made something, like, hey, I made these awesome banh mi meatballs, blah, blah, blah. And then just say, here's my shopping link, or here's my link, here's my affiliate link, here's my whatever link, right? That's what we're set up for now more, so that you can just start your business when you're ready. Don't have to worry about getting a big box of stuff if you don't want it, if you're already stocked up or anything like that. And it's literally $49.95 to join into the membership. You do get your 25% off on your sales, anyone's sales, anything like that. And yeah, and then you also have all the rest of it. So all the rest of what I have, which is access to Fast Path, which is our incentives, or trips, which you can do, or any of that kind of stuff, all the back office, all the website, all that kind of stuff is still there. It's all there. It's just in a digital package. And for the last time, or yeah, basically we're retiring our business kit, which is the big box that comes with all the goodies. It's switched up this year. I mean, this month. It's got a sheet pan in it, much more meal solutions, things like that. So it's like literally over $350 in value. But it comes with the catalogs. It comes with, you know, more paperwork and all that kind of stuff, and of course all the goodies. So if you're still looking to join the business because you really want to do something with it, like me, or even just still as a hobby, but you want the deal, that 40% off kit, that's still available until the end of the month. So you can do one or the other. You can just join digital because you're fully stocked and don't need any of that stuff. Or, oh my God, I would love to have a multi-purpose dinner and the sheet pan and all that, and I'll go for the kit, which is $125 Canadian or $99 US. The $49.95 is across the board, Canada or US, same price. You do get catalogs with the $49.95 as well. And yeah, and of course, you join our awesome community and you get to be a part of what's going on. And things are changing for all that too. So just like stay, well, come join us, be on the ground level as we rock it and do a whole bunch of new things with our biz. By the way, the Epic Box is changing as well. If you have the Epic Box this month, you will see, nope, this one. You will see that one in it. That's right. A jar is in the box this month. So pretty cool. And a new seasoning of that. So those of you who got the Epic Box, cool. There you go. And that's just a little wink, wink, nod, nod, what could be coming in the future with Epic Box. So lots is changing. Lots is going on. If you're someone who buys Epicure a lot from me or from your consultant, or sorry, oops, I have to take a drink now. Ambassador, and you're buying every month or every second month, this might be an option for you to come participate with us. You just do a small commitment, be a part of it, and see how you can get a pretty cool discount on your groceries and all the Epicure goodies that you get. And you just share with a few friends and family, and boom, you're rocking. So there you go. All right, that's it. I'm done chatting. I'm 20 minutes. Yeah, so hit me up if you need any more details. If you have questions, feel free to mention below. Otherwise, I'll either see you later or we'll chat later. But yeah, have an awesome Sunday if you can't stop by. And yeah, I can't wait for Tuesday. Stay tuned.